We wanted to go outside to play, and I got the skateboard. I told her to sit on the skateboard, and I told her to wear a helmet, but she didn't. So I was like pushing her on the skateboard really fast, and then I pushed her into the street.
Janita was cooking, and I can't recall exactly what I was up to, but suddenly there was a commotion outside, and Bella came running in.
So like I was going fast, and then like I fell forward on my face. I was like, something's wrong, and I didn't realize what had happened.
And holding what turned out to be a tooth, and it had come out at the roots. It was it was about that long, and she was pretty calm but pretty freaked out. And the first thing we did was call Dr. Treekes.
My mom called Dr. Treekes, and he was somewhere else, so he had to drive all the way, and he like fixed it.
Turned out that it was a Saturday morning. He was practicing a half-hour drive away, and he said, "Don't worry, I'll be there immediately."
He dropped everything where he was.
Got in his car and drove to us. We had the tooth and milk, and he arrived. He asked his assistant to be here. They opened up the practice for us. It was closed that morning.
When he came, he just like put a shot in my gum so it wouldn't hurt. He was like, it's all gonna be okay, and he was just trying to stay calm because I was really creeped out. It didn't hurt, I just was sort of shocked, and he was like, oh, it's fine, and he started like to just treat it, and it didn't even hurt at all, which is pretty cool.
And he arrived to do the most incredible work on her, and we were just so grateful. She was at an age where if she didn't have that tooth restored at that point, she wouldn't have been able to have some kind of a false tooth in, given her age. So it was a big deal for us, because she might otherwise have had 10 years through her schooling without a tooth.
Well, I would say that like he's the man to go to. I don't think another dentist could do as good of a job as he did with my teeth.
We were immensely grateful, and again, just the care that he brought was wonderful. You never got the sense that he was just churning you out, and you feel like someone who's part of a family here, rather than just a client.
He goes the extra mile. He's not. He doesn't just do the basic service. He makes you feel good. He cares for what your needs are, and he corrects things if there is an issue that needs addressing, whether it be a complicated dental procedure or a small issue you're concerned about. He makes you feel at ease, which I really appreciate as well. I really like him. We do recommend Dr. Treekes. It's not whether I would, but we do recommend Dr. Treekes. I don't hesitate in recommending him.
He's had a real impact on our family, and dental health is important, and particularly important for us as we think about our kids, and having a place that they feel comfortable in, and where we feel delighted with the level of care has been terrific. So we're absolutely fans of Dr. Treekes.